Okay, here we are, Herb Connolly Chevrolet, and we've got some business to attend to.
Yes, New Year's Eve. We went to our Chevy dealer, and we went there to pick up our brand new 2018 Chevy Volt. We did not bring our 2016 Blue Volt with us because it was still in the body shop being repaired. A couple of months ago, we had a little run-in with a deer with our Volt, and it took the body shop almost 2 months to repair it.
The car.
This is George in the red coat. He's the dealer that helped us get our 2018 Volt. He's actually the same dealer who was there 3 years ago and helped us get the 2016 Volt, which we have been very happy with.
Right here. Very good.
Full tank of gas and a 4 electric charge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'll talk to you.
Okay. Just walk around a little bit. Oh, we got. Uh-oh, it's not. Just regular. It's a regular license plate. It's not an EV license plate.
Oh no.
Guess it doesn't matter. Yeah. They washed it up and it did. Cleaned it up. Yeah. All right, now I think we're ready to drive our new Volt home. Maybe I turn the music off. Put it into drive. Release the brake. Oh, the brake wasn't even ready. Maybe I should go up a little bit. Okay. Fortunately, it's not very bright today. 3:45 in the afternoon. Quiet. I forgot how quiet and smooth driving a Volt was. You want to go through downtown Framingham? Is it recording? Uh-oh. Garage door opener. You don't have a garage door opener, do I? No, I do not have a garage door opener. That's another thing we need from the blue car. I can't get in there. The video of it at home. I guess we're still recording. I didn't realize we were still recording. Well, here's Red. Red 2. That's what we're going to call it. Just want to walk around. Now that it's home, nice and shiny and new. Unfortunately, I can't open the garage door. It doesn't have a garage door opener. Didn't think of that, did we? So I will have to go in and open the garage door. I don't have to go all the way downstairs, but okay.
A few days later, we got Blue, our 2016 Volt, back from the body shop, and we had both Volts for a few days anyway.